Can I say it, man? Damn it, let's toast. I ain't gotta brag, ain't gotta boast. I ain't made it yet, but damn it, I'm close. And everybody knows I'm going the most. Except no imitation. I'm inspiration. I'm elevation.
I'll be so mountain high, I'm feeling elevated. Fuck it, I can touch the sky. Riding this escalator, way to reach my destination. Never hesitating, even when them haters keep on hating. I'm the life of the party. No tailgating, drink that Bacardi. We fucking celebrating, no limitations. I gotta go all the way, and this time I'll be paving my own lane, letting no one hold me back or talk behind my back. And let's make it toast to never going broke, that's a fact. It's my life, I gotta make the best out of that. Inspired by the fire in my eyes, I light up the night.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all doing good and staying blessed. Today is a Sunday and I got another video for you guys. I'm going to show you the new addition that I installed, I think it was about 2 days ago. And yeah, it's on my IG at Skylyfe Projects 86. I'll throw that link up here. But I wanted to do a video for the channel and show you guys what it's like up close and personal. So without further ado, before we get the video started, if you guys could like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it, as it always helps out my channel. Also hit that notification bell so you always be alerted for future uploads like this. I love you guys and I appreciate the support. Let me flip the camera around. Those wheels are popping in the sunlight. This video is going to be quick though, because it is actually 105 degrees here in good old AZ, over here in Desert Ridge, seeing my mother. Anyways, all right, ready for the reveal. This is by APR. It is a carbon fiber licensed surround, and it is dry carbon with a hint of gloss. It is pretty bright outside, but as you guys can see, you can see me in the reflection, but it is awesome. Step back a little bit. There we go. It's awesome. Love it. This is by APR. It literally takes, I don't know, 5 to 6 minutes or so to install. It just connects right here with the two license plate bolts, that APR supplies you. And then obviously I put my carbon fiber Type R license plate frame right there. It all bolts up, and then I used adhesive, actually double-sided Gorilla tape right here to give it a nice solid feel. Same with this side. Obviously it's not going anywhere. So all right, got more mods coming up for the channel. This is just a new addition I wanted to show you guys real quick, but stay tuned. I got that APR carbon fiber wing coming up. Again, that's dry carbon, so it's going to match the APR license surround. Also have APR rear diffuser carbon fiber coming up as well. I've been a big fan of APR for years. They make amazing high quality carbon fiber products for a lot of import vehicles, you guys, so I highly suggest checking them out. Let me get out of the light here. Then we got the RV6 front pipe and down pipe combo coming up with the Honda tune. So yeah, stay tuned, it's gonna be awesome. I got a lot more content coming up. Again, I appreciate you guys. Any questions you have, put them in the comments, and yeah, we'll end the video here. Until next time, this is Skylyfe Projects. Much love and blessings. Always stay focused, stay on your grind, never give up for anything. Always put your best foot forward and do the best you possibly can do. That's the way to live life. Till next time, guys.
Rolled out, royalties in my team. Only things we talk about, money coming in faster than it's ever been. Like Cali, all we do is win. Posted in the valley, cash moves everything around me. Like a money pool, you see me drowning. System in the trunk, bump bitches like the way it be sounded. Fill my cup up for the ones.